Here is a suppose theta is between 180 and 270 and sine theta equals negative 3 over 8. Part A asks find the exact value of cosine theta. First of all, I draw a coordinate plane and show from 0 to 90 degrees, which is the second quadrant, and sine and cosine. Cosine is positive, sine is positive. I will go from 90 to 180, the second quadrant, which cosine. Cosine related x-axis, we see the x-axis here is negative, so cosine is negative, sine is positive. And sine related y-axis. Always to find the sign of cosine and sine, you should know cosine related x-axis and sine related y-axis. Now I will go uh, between 180 and 270, which is, we see cosine again here is negative, and sine, which related y-axis, so would be negative as well. I come 270 to 360, which cosine is positive and sine is negative. Now it says theta is between 180 and 270. That means I only accept the value that is negative. So for part A, I know I have a formula that says sine of theta to the power of 2 plus cosine of theta to the power of 2 equals 1. I substitute negative 3 over 8 in this expression or equation. I will have negative 3 over 8 to the power of 2 plus cosine of theta to the power of 2 equals 1. If I bring all the constant to the other side, I will have cosine of theta equals positive or negative the square root of 1 minus, if I apply this power, would be 9 over 64. So I will have the answer here. I don't accept the positive sign because I said cosine is between 180 and 270. So the answer here I will accept negative square root of 55 over 64. Now I will go for part B. Part B says hence find the exact value of tangent of theta. So tangent of theta, which is sine of theta over cosine. So sine over cosine. I substitute the value, which is negative 3 over 8, and it would be negative square root of 55 over square root of 64 gives me 8. I cancel out this 8 and this 8, so I will cancel out the negative sign. So I will have 3 over square root of 55 to write it both numerator and denominator. multiply by square root of 55, which is 3 square root of 55, 3 square root of 55 over 55.